Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Snipping tool and choosing a capture mode so you can get exactly what you need. Once the app is open, pick rectangular for precise areas or full screen to grab everything. Make sure to set a delay if you need to prepare menus or hover states. This gives you 5 seconds depending on your choice. You do not need extra software. Snipping tool handles screenshots, basic annotation, and saving. Next, move directly to capturing with intent and steady framing. Once you click New, you perform the capture. Drag to select or choose window or full screen for broader shots. You then immediately see annotation tools. Use the pen for notes, highlighter for emphasis, and eraser to correct mistakes. These edits are non-destructive until you save. Make sure to copy to clipboard for quick pasting into documents or save as PNG or JPEG for distribution. If you plan to edit further, save a copy and open it in an image editor. You finish by saving and sharing. Choose Save As, pick PNG for lossless quality or JPEG for smaller files, and store in a clear folder. When you need to share quickly, copy to clipboard and paste, or use the built-in share command. If something goes wrong, captures not working, blank images, or the app crashes, make sure Snipping tool has permission to record the screen, close and reopen the app, and restart your PC if needed. These steps resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.